If you're buying property in Bali as a foreigner, you're missing the 2026 tax rules, and here's exactly what to pay. Here's the problem. Most foreign owners in Bali don't know they owe multiple taxes simultaneously. Acquisition tax hits 5% of purchase price immediately at closing. Annual property tax runs 0.1% per year on assessed land value. A client from Australia bought a 500 million rupiah villa in Bali last year. Within 30 days, she owed 25 million rupiah in acquisition tax alone. Then she discovered annual property tax of 500,000 rupiah per year. She'd budgeted only for the purchase price. This is exactly why TheBaliLawyer handles property acquisitions for foreign buyers, because the Indonesian tax code changed in 2026. Most people fail here. They calculate purchase price plus legal fees and think they're done. In 2026, the Indonesian tax office bills foreign owners for acquisition tax, 5%, annual property tax, 0.1%, and land and building tax separately. DIY buyers miss one or all three and face penalties. Do not skip this step. Step 2 is getting a tax identification number in Indonesia. You need an NPWP, the Indonesian equivalent of a U.S. Social Security number. It takes 7 to 10 business days. TheBaliLawyer files your NPWP application the day you sign the purchase agreement, so you're registered by closing. Without it, you cannot legally own property in Bali. This is important. Calculate your actual acquisition tax before you close. At 5% of the purchase price, a 2 billion rupiah property costs you 100 million rupiah in tax due at signing. Many foreign buyers discover this 2 days before closing and scramble for funds. TheBaliLawyer locks in your exact tax liability in writing 14 days before closing, so you know the number. Here's the problem. DIY buyers assume the seller's agent handles taxes. Wrong. You own the tax bill. A comparison, DIY route means you call 3 Indonesian tax offices, wait 3 to 5 weeks for responses, and guess at your final amount. TheBaliLawyer runs all tax scenarios up front, so you close on time with 0 surprises. If you're going solo, request the Property Tax Assessment Letter, Surat Pemberitahuan Pajak Tahunan, from the local tax office in the Regency where the property sits. This document shows the assessed land value and annual tax rate for your specific plot. It takes 10 to 14 days. Use this number to calculate your total tax burden before you commit to the purchase. Many foreign buyers skip this and overpay by 20 to 40% because they use market price instead of assessed value. When calling the Indonesian tax office, use this phrase in English or Indonesian. I need the official property tax assessment letter and annual tax amount for property located at address. I am a foreign buyer closing within 30 days. Acquisition tax is 5% due at closing. Annual property tax is 0.1% per year. Get your NPWP before you sign the deed. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com to book a free property tax consultation with our 20-plus year Bali legal team available 24/7. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.